This is not a place. Just sir, you can survive. Not for long, not even for minutes. On our planet, there are locations so extreme that the human body simply cannot handle them. No matter how strong you are, no matter how prepared, these places will kill you. From boiling rivers, to toxic air, from frozen deserts, to lakes that turn animals into stone. Earth hides environments that feel completely alien. Today, we are exploring 5 places humans cannot survive. Number 5, the boiling river, of the Amazon. Deep in the Amazon rainforest, there is a river that actually boils. Not warm, not hot, boiling. Temperatures can reach over 90 degrees Celsius. Hot enough to cook animals alive. Small creatures that fall into the water do not escape. They are instantly burned, their skin destroyed within seconds. At first, scientists did not believe this river existed because there are no volcanoes nearby. So what could possibly heat an entire river to boiling temperatures? The answer, is still debated. Some believe deep geothermal fractures heat the water from below. Others think it is caused by underground fault lines. But one thing is certain, if you fall in, you will not survive. Number 4, Lake Natron, Tanzania. At first glance, this lake looks calm, still, peaceful. But do not be fooled. Lake Natron is one of the most dangerous lakes on Earth. Its water is extremely alkaline, with a pH level close to ammonia. Hot, corrosive, deadly. Animals that enter the lake rarely leave. Their bodies, once become preserved, almost like stone. Birds, bats, small animals, frozen in place as if time stopped. This happens because the water contains high levels of sodium carbonate, which can preserve bodies like a natural chemical process. Touching the water can burn your skin. Drinking it would be fatal. Yet somehow, one species thrives here, flamingos. They have adapted to survive in conditions that would kill almost anything else. Number 3, the Danakil Depression, Ethiopia. This place, as the radio is often called the hottest place on Earth. Temperatures here can exceed 50 degrees Celsius, but heat is only part of the danger. The air itself is toxic. Volcanic gases fill the atmosphere. Sulfur, carbon dioxide, breathing here for too long can be deadly. The ground, is also unstable. Acid pools bubble at the surface, bright yellow, neon green. It looks like another planet. In fact, scientists study this area to understand how life might exist on Mars. But for humans, this environment is extremely dangerous. Dehydration, heat stroke, toxic exposure, all combined in one place. Number 2, Antarctica, the coldest desert on Earth. When people think of deserts, they imagine heat. But Antarctica is actually a desert, the driest place on Earth, and also the coldest. Temperatures can drop below minus 80 degrees Celsius, cold enough to freeze skin in seconds. Exposed flesh can develop frostbite almost instantly. Breathing the air feels painful because it is so cold and so dry. And if you are not protected, your body begins to shut down. Hypothermia can take over quickly. Even experienced explorers must be extremely careful because one mistake can be fatal. Number 1, the door to hell, Turkmenistan. In the middle of the desert, there is a crater that has been burning for over 50 years, a massive hole filled with fire. Flames, constantly rising. Heat, radiating outward. Standing too close can be dangerous. The air is filled with gas. The ground can collapse, and the fire, never stops. Day and night, this place is known as the door to hell. And it is exactly what it sounds like, but here is the truth. These are not the only places humans cannot survive. Earth is full of extremes, hidden environments, that push the limits of life itself, places where nature becomes unforgiving, relentless, and completely inhospitable. But what makes these places so fascinating is not just how dangerous they are, it is the fact that they exist at all on the same planet we call home, a world that can support life, yet also create environments where life is nearly impossible. And maybe that is the most surprising part, because when we think about alien worlds, we often look to space. But the truth is, some of the most alien places are right here on Earth, and we have only just begun to explore them. If you think these places are extreme, there are even more that will surprise you, because Earth is far more dangerous and far more mysterious than we imagine. But there is something even more disturbing about these places. They are not rare, because they are hidden. They are rare, because they are extreme. And that raises a deeper question. How far can the human body actually go? Because in every location we explored, there is a limit, a point where survival is no longer possible. In extreme heat, your body loses water faster than it can recover. Your organs begin to fail. Your brain overheats, and eventually your body shuts down. In extreme cold, the opposite happens. Your body tries to conserve heat. Blood flow slows down. Your muscles stop working, and your organs begin to freeze. In toxic environments, you may not even notice what is happening. Invisible gases enter your lungs, replacing oxygen. Slowly, silently, your body loses the ability to function. And in places like Lake Natron or the boiling river, the danger is immediate. There is no warning, no second chance, just one mistake and it's over. But despite all this, humans still go. Scientists, explorers, filmmakers, traveling into places where survival is not guaranteed. Why? Because curiosity is stronger than fear. The desire to understand the unknown pushes people into extreme environments, to study them, to document them, to learn how they work, and sometimes to prove that survival is possible, even if only for a short time. But here is something most people don't realize. Even when humans survive these places, they are not truly living there. They are enduring it with protection, with equipment, with constant awareness. Remove those protections and survival becomes impossible, which means these places still belong to nature, not to us. And maybe that is what makes them so powerful. They remind us that we are not in control, that there are still places on Earth where nature, sets the rules, not humans. And those rules are absolute. No negotiation, no second chances, just survival or failure. But there is one more thing that makes these places so fascinating. Life still exists there, in forms we don't expect. Bacteria that survive in acid, organisms that live in extreme heat, creatures that adapt to conditions we cannot tolerate, which changes how we see life itself. Because if life can exist in places like these, then maybe life could exist somewhere else too, on other planets, in extreme environments, far beyond Earth. And that is why scientists regularly study places like these, because they may hold clues about life in the universe. But for us, they remain limits. Boundaries we cannot cross, places we can visit, but never truly belong. And maybe that is exactly how it should be, because not every place is meant for humans. Some places are meant to remain wild, untouched, unforgiving, and completely beyond our control. The boiling river, the Stone Lake, the toxic desert, the frozen continent, the burning crater, each one a reminder that Earth is not just beautiful, it is dangerous, extreme, and still full of mystery. And if you think we have discovered everything, think again, because somewhere on this planet there are still places waiting to be found. Places even more extreme, even more dangerous, and even more impossible.